The Quick PDF Export feature allows you to quickly export views or sheets to PDF using Revit PDF export settings. You can do this a few different ways. The first of which is to simply export the active view or sheet that is open. The Quick PDF Export feature is located in the Print Export group within the main Accelerate ribbon. If you have a sheet or view open, simply select the Quick PDF Export feature and the dialog will open. You'll be able to select from any of your pre-created PDF export settings in Revit. You can select a file name, a location, and it'll show you a list of all of the sheets that will be exported. It's only listing out my active sheet. The second option is to export pre-selected views or sheets from the project browser. So I can go ahead and pre-select as many sheets or views as I want, and then select the Quick PDF Export, and it will select all of the pre-selected views or sheets from the project browser to export. Again, you can select your settings, file name, location, and it will export those sheets. The third option is to utilize a schedule. If you open a schedule, it will select all sheets within that schedule or views within a view schedule to export. Again, you can come to Naviate Accelerate, Quick PDF Export, and now it lists out all of the sheets within this sheet schedule. You can select your settings, file name, and location and simply export it quickly. And that is the Quick PDF Export feature.